move inside and take a look at the winners in Interior Plantscaping Program. There are 3 categories in this program. First up, Installation and Design. Award of Excellence to Stems Interior Landscaping Incorporated for Indoor Atrium Design. This client was applying for the platinum level of LEED program and wanted to add the visual representation of just how green the organization and building were. Interior landscape maintenance greater than $2,500 per year. Congratulations to Beaver Landscape and Gardening Limited for Oxford, Yorkdale interior maintenance. More than just a clean, safe, well-groomed, the landscape in Yorkdale Mall need to enhance the overall shopping experience. Plant rotations are timed with seasonal events and holidays. Interior Plantscaping Maintenance, congratulations to Stems Interior Landscape Incorporated for St. Mildred's Living Wall. This living wall has been maintained by Stems Interior for over a year. Since all the roots were washed of the soil, irrigation is a challenge as there's very little water holding capacity within these walls. I'd like to invite all the winners from Interior Plantscaping Program up to the stage.